Today, we are going to visit the Senso-ji temple in the Asakusa district in Tokyo's best visited attraction. Millions of tourists go here every year. It is a great place to be introduced to the Japanese Buddhism, to buy souvenirs, and to eat delicious food. So ano, excited ka na ba? Tara na! We'll start our journey here in Asakusa, Don Quixote. I believe you know Don Quixote store. It's one of the famous store in Japan. Next time, we will try to vlog Don Quixote, okay? Here in Asakusa, a lot of people are wearing kimonos. And if you want to buy one, there's a lot of store here, so you can grab one for yourself. Ang ganda ng panahon, mahangin. Mabuti din ngayon, kunti lang yung tao. Usually, ang daming tao dito, nagsisiksikan. Kaya swerte tayo ngayon. Ang daming mga restaurants dito. Kung mahilig ka sa pagkain, wow, mag-i-enjoy ka talaga dito. Uy, may nangungumpanya pa yata. Oh, ayan yung rickshaw, a small covered passenger vehicle with two wheels that is usually pulled by one person. Uy, mahal yan, oy. Marami yan dito sa Asakusa. Sa susunod, try natin sakay dyan, ha? Samahan niyo ako, ha? Nakita mo yung tower sa likod? Nag-vlog ako niyan. Tingnan mo ha, ang ganda dyan sa taas. Grabe. Dito na tayo sa inner gate. Ang daming souvenirs dito. Uy! Ayun na ang Senso-ji temple. Malapit na tayo. Super excited! Oo, ayan na. Kitang-kita na yung gate papasok. Oo, masarap kaya to? Ano, gusto mo ba? Kaminarimon, or the Thunder Gate, is the gateway to Senso-ji Temple. Its centerpiece is a giant red lantern inscribed with the word Thunder Gate. The lantern weighed just about 1,400 pounds. Despite its weight, I recommend you to walk below it and look up the lantern's base. What you see there are inscrutable dragon carvings at the base. On each side of the lantern, you will find a statue. On the left, you can see the god of thunder. On the right, the wind of God. Both were put there to guard the temple from storm. Ito naman yung god of the thunder. Sa left side siya, nagbabantay. Ito na si Wind of God, guard of the temple. Nasa right side siya. Ito naman yung reed lantern na 500 kilos. May naka-curve dyan sa baba ng mga dragons. Okay, isa-isahin natin check yung view dito sa loob. Tara! Why Senso-ji Temple famous? Senso-ji Temple is the oldest and most visited temple in Tokyo. It takes back all the way to 628 AD. Grabe, ang tagal, no? Unfortunately, close yung temple ngayon, kaya konti lang yung tao. May prayer ka ba or wish? Sige, isulat mo na dyan. Before you go to the prayer hall, you need to take some incense here to ensure good health. Yan, may mga tao nakapila offering their prayer to the Buddha. O ano, masaya ka ba? Nakakita na rin tayo ng Buddhist temple. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Abangan nyo ang part 2 ha. Sayonara!